Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Unlock Project. I am your host, Desmond. Yay! Okay, we'll be back. Here's an update before we get started with the episode today. For those who have not heard or seen the news, we would like to inform you that we are moving our content to a brand new YouTube channel. Still the same name, Unlock Project, but we dropped the word official and channel. So it's Unlock Project Gundam. So when you find us, do remember to subscribe, like, turn on the notification bell on our new channel. Thank you. Okay, now on with the show. It's an honor to introduce the Ver.Ed Anthology Vol.02, Custom Built Reimagined. This Volume 2 is literally a masterpiece. This anthology showcases an eclectic mix of intricate narrative and perspective that changes how our conventional norms of looking at our models. This book compared to the first volume, so it has 5 areas: the custom build, the scratch build, the kit bashing, the mechanical detailing, the artwork showcase. The similarity would be the mechanical detailing and artwork. So this is something which he always keep in his volume 1 and 2, which is consistent, yeah. Last but not least, almost every page of it contains a QR code which leads to the short video illustration. So it's very good, yeah. Before we proceed with the sneak peek into the book, do remember to subscribe, like, turn on the notification bell on our new channel. On with the sneak peek, and I shall stop talking.